Hello everyone. Right, in the pre-stress, for losses of pre-stress concept, we will be dealing with the third problem. Right, here what they are asking, a pre-stressed rectangular section 250 by 250 mm by 250 mm wide and 350 mm deep, and is provided with 12 high tension wires of 6 mm dia located at 70 mm from the bottom of the beam, and the 4 similar 6 mm dia wires at the top located at 40 mm from the top of the beam. So right, the wires are initially stretched to a stress of 900 Newton per mm square. Determine the percentage loss of stress in steel wires due to elastic shortening of concrete. So right, obviously this will become a pre-stressed member. So right, what is the beam which you have? Here he is telling the beam which you have, that is 250 mm by 350 mm. Here the rectangular beam you have, and here what he is telling, the 70 mm, whatever the 12 high tension wires of 6 mm dia that has been located from the bottom of your rectangular section, that is 70 mm, and the beam of the beam, and 4 high tension wires of 6 mm dia wires at the top located at the 40 mm from the top of the beam. The wires are initially stretched to a stress of the 900 Newton per mm square, and now we will start solving the problem. Right, so please everyone carry your code book, that is 1343 2012. Please carry your calcs. Right, we'll solve the problem here. What he has given here, what he has given, 250 by 'a rectangular beam of the rectangular section of 250 mm and 350 mm deep. So right, this will be how much? Your B will be 170, and he is asking the 12 high tension members that has been 12 high tension members from the 70. So right, from the bottom of your 70. So here, from here, how many? Right, from the top, how much? 40 mm from the top. How many wires you have used of 6 mm. So right, this is the rectangular section. So right, first what we have to do here, first what we have to do, we have to calculate the modular ratio. We will calculate the modular ratio for the whatever the things you have taken, right? First one, modular ratio. What is the formula for this? ES by EC. What is the ES he has given here? 2.1 into 10 to the power 5, 3.5 into 10 to the power 4. So right, what will be the answer here? 2.1 into 10 to the power 5, 3.5 into 10 to the power 4. So right, here you have got the value 6. And second one, what we need to calculate here, he has given the, next we need to calculate the area of the concrete, right? What is the AC they have given? 250 by 350. 250 by 350. mm by 350 mm. Here I have taken, you can take it directly also. So right, next, what is the next we have to calculate here? We need to calculate the moment of inertia. So right, the steps which has already been given in your second problem. Here the moment of inertia is equal to BD cube by 12. Here 250 by 350 by 12. $250 by 350 by 12 gives you how much? Eight nine three two two 9166.7. So this can be written as 0.893 into 10 to the power 9 mm 4. Right. Next we need to calculate the center of gravity from the bottom. Center of gravity from the bottom, because here the steel has been provided there. Center of gravity of steel wires from so right, what we have to take here? 12 bars at the space of 70 mm, plus here the 4 bars at the space of 40, right? Four into 40 divided by 12 plus 4, right? How much you are getting? Here we are getting 62. Right, sorry. Right, here we are providing, so here we need to deduct this part, right? We need to deduct the 40 mm. So right, how much we are left with? From here to here we are left with 310. So right, so that will be 130 mm. That will be your 130 mm. Next calculate the eccentricity. So right, next eccentricity equal to so right, here the B by E (175 divided by 2). So right, here B by 2 is 175 minus 130. So right, 175 minus 130, how much you are getting? Right, next now we need to calculate the total number of steel wires. So what are how many total number of steel wires? N into pi by 4 into d square. So right, here N, how many bars you have? N are 12 plus 4, 16 into 3.14 by 4, right? The D is same. What is the area you have got here? 452.6116 mm square. Right? Till now what we have calculated? Till now we have calculated the modular ratio, we have calculated the eccentricity, we have calculated the moment of inertia. So how much we have got eccentricity. Now we need to go to calculate the losses. Before calculating the losses, we need to find some stresses, right? So right, now we will calculate the initial pre-stressing. Next we need to calculate the initial pre-stressing. Here they have given the load, we need to find out the initial free stressing force. P naught equal to initial stress into area of steel. What is the initial stress they have given here? 900 Newton per mm square. 900 into what is the area of the steel you have got in just now we have calculated the area of steel, right? Nine hundred into how much did you get? 406,944 Newton. So right, next what we need to calculate here? We have got the P naught. So right, the stresses will be developing. Here we need to calculate. Here he is asking us to find out the elastic shortening. For finding the elastic shortening, what we need to find out? Stress in the concrete we need to find out. Here we need to find out in the bottom and we need to find out in the top. So right, here at the Y bar what we have got? 130 mm. So right, this part will be your how much? 60 mm. Here how much? It will be 45 mm. So right, 45 mm. So this part will become how much? 130. So right, from here to here how much it will be? So from here to here I would have used the colors pens. So right, next what we need to find out? Here we need to find out the stress in concrete at the top level wires. So right, what is the formula we need to find over there? What is the formula you need to find out? From here to here how much you will be having? 180. So from here to here you will be having 180. Here this is our eccentricity. You have got 40, 220. 220 plus 130. 220 plus 130 will give you 350, right? So here at the top level wires. So here what you will be having? P naught by AC. P naught by AC minus. Why here I am taking the minus means whatever you are calculating at the top level wires. You are calculating at the top level wires. So right, for that purpose you are taking it as a so right, what is the answer you will be getting here? So what is the P naught value you have got? 406,944 by what is the area of the concrete you have got? What is the area of the concrete? 8.75 into 10 to the power 4 minus 406944 into what is the E you have got here? 45. From that up to the E, how much you have? 180. Right? Here, what is the I you have got? 0.8934 into 10 to the power 9. Four 406 8.75 into 10 to the power 4 will give you the answer 45 into 180 0.8934 into 10 to the power 0.961 how much you are getting? 0.961 Newton per mm square. Right? Next we need to find out stress in concrete FCB. Previously it was FCT. Right? FCB at the bottom wires. So right here P0 by AC plus P0 E by right P0 is equal to 406. How much did we get? How much did we get? I have rubbed the value. Four 944 by what was the area of the concrete you have got? 8.75 into 10 to the power 4 plus here why we are taking the plus? Because whatever the all this is at the bottom level. So right we need to add it. The 60. So right how much you are getting the value here? 406 944 8.75. 4.65. Right, you have got the value here. So till now what we have found out here, we have found out all the stresses which develop in the concrete. So now what he is asking in the question, is asking you to find out the percentage loss in the concrete due to elastic shortening, loss due to elastic shortening in top level stress in concrete. So right here M into FC. M you have got 6, and what is the FCT you have got? FCT you have got 0.96. .76 Newton per mm square. Next, loss due to elastic shortening in bottom level stress in, that is FCB. How much you are getting here? 6 into 35.16. Now what is asking in the question, is asking us to find out the percentage loss of stress. Percentage of loss of stress, how you will be finding here? Did we got the total stress? So write these are the losses, this much percentage loss here. The 0.64 percentage is getting loss at the top level and 3.90 at the bottom level. So write, see everyone here in the question what did he give? The pre-stressed rectangular section 250 mm wide and 350 mm deep is provided with the 12 mm high tension wires of 6 mm dia and at the located at 70 mm from the bottom, right? In the top what he have given the same similar 4 wires of 6 mm at the top with the at the 40 mm dia, and he has given the initial stress which I have provided, and that one is 900 Newton per mm square, right? So here he has asked us to find out the percentage loss of stress in the steel wire due to elastic shortening of the concrete, right? Here we have taken the beam 250 mm and 350 mm, the size of 250 mm by 350 mm we have taken, and after that what we have found? We have found the modular ratio, right? Then after what we have found? We have found the center of gravity. Before that we have found the moment of inertia. For all this, why we are taking, we need to find the stresses which have been developed at the top and the bottom. By that only we can find the what are the losses which I have got at top and bottom. While solving the problem, please carry your code book and the calci. Thank you.